Tidal range is usually the location of erosion. We call it the zone of wave attack. A gentle gradient will have a wider tidal range and it will be less eroded relatively to the same amount of wave and energy at a steep gradient. It's kind of like if you have an eraser and you want to erase something on a piece of paper. So you keep rubbing it, eventually you rub a hole on the paper. But imagine if you use the eraser and you rub the whole piece of paper from top to down. Then it takes you a long time to erase a hole on the paper because the area of impact is bigger. The same level of high tide and low tide, let's say 0.5 meter, at a steeper coastline, it will have a narrower tidal range and you will result in more erosion versus the same level of sea level up and down at a wide tidal range. So example, you can see a beach, tidal range is from here to here. The high tide mark is wet sand, so you can see highest level. And if it is in a cliff, the high tide and low tide probably is from here to here. This is probably around low tide. You can see the gradient difference, right? This section is way wider and this section is way narrower, okay? But it's the same tidal level, right? So eventually you can see you get more erosion off the cliff and not much erosion off the beach.